slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit, fuck